Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with EV Connect for station owner controls. Detailed guide. To register with EV Connect for station owner controls, start by navigating to the EV Connect website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, fill in your first and last name as prompted in the form. Next, enter your email address, ensuring it is active for verification. Create a strong password that meets the outlined security requirements. Confirm your password in the designated field below. Proceed by selecting the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from EV Connect. Open the verification email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, return to the EV Connect website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Here, locate that Add Station option to begin setting up your charging station. Fill out the required information for your station, including location and station type. Make sure to enter accurate details to ensure smooth operations. Once everything is filled out, review your information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to save your station information. You may receive an in-app confirmation once your station has been successfully added. Now, navigate to the Settings tab, where you can manage preferences for your station. This includes pricing, availability, and user access controls. Adjust these settings according to your operational needs. Finally, familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available for tracking usage and performance. Congratulations, you are now registered with EV Connect and can manage your station owner controls effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.